Chocolate covered fruit is actually good for you? Let's break this down. So to look at this statement, let's look at chocolate in its entirety before we actually make an assumption. So chocolate, when it's breaking down into its constructive components, involves sugar, cocoa, and butter. Now, all in all, this isn't the worst. The problem is the amount of sugar and the amount of butter, both which are already highly consumed in a lot of people who eat a very processed diet, means you are adding a bunch of saturated fat and sugar into diets that really need less of both. And even if you get organic sources of all of these things, you can't beat around the bush that you're still getting saturated fat, intaking added sugar, which in excess quantities can never be argued as good. So I think the real question is, does eating chocolate paired with a fruit somehow negate any of the unhealthy effects that chocolate might have on your body? Well, first things first, if you're eating these things in moderation, maybe only having a serving or two a day, and the rest of your diet is sound, this is probably not going to do much to your diet in a negative way. But the key here is that you need to have a sound rest of your diet. That means that cherries or bananas or apples or strawberries or whatever you have chocolate on, that one or two serving cannot be all of the fruit that you eat for the entire day. You would be severely lacking on the recommended fruits and vegetables, which starts at about 5 servings a day of either fruits, vegetables, or combine both. And that's the thing about this is you can eat a serving of this, which has 140 calories, 6 grams of fat, 4.5 grams of those being saturated, 20 grams of carbs, where 18 grams of sugar, but 12 of those grams are added sugars, of course from the chocolate, only 1 gram of protein. This equates to only 5 pieces or 5 cherries. Now, one serving of cherries to be considered enough from a health standpoint is about 1 cup or 20 or so cherries. So to get 1 out of your 5 servings of food, you're gonna need to eat 4 servings of this, putting you all the way up to 560 calories in total. So just something to realize when you're eating this fruit that has chocolate on it. It's a wonderful snack. It's an amazing thing to try and indulge yourself in from time to time, but this should never, ever replace eating whole fruits and vegetables without anything added to it. The amount of calories you would need to eat to get the health benefits from getting 5 or so fruits and vegetable servings a day would put you so far over your calorie budget, you would gain a lot of excess adipose tissue in no time.